Welcome to Sheri-Fun Vibe, the place for travel tips, news, deals, special events, and fun, fun, fun. You know, we have a special relationship with our clients. I dare say we have what could be called a love affair. And we like when they're happy. As a matter of fact, we love to see them smile. As a matter of fact, we see more virtual smiles than anybody else because most of our clients, we've never seen them face to face. But I tell you, we do the virtual hand holding and we take care of them every step of the way. But why should I tell you how good we make our clients feel? I think they should do it for themselves. So take a listen. Share Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited. We're all about the fun. Of course, we're excited. We have Galia, and she's all the way in Canada, in Toronto, in Brampton, I believe. Galia, good afternoon. How are you?
You.
Welcome. This is Sheri-Fun Travel, and we had some good times at Grand Palladium just this year in April, didn't we?
We did. We had a wonderful time.
So, we really just wanted to tell Jamaica and tell Canada, we're all over the diaspora. What was your experience like booking with us here at Sheri Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited?
It was wonderful. You helped me with everything I needed, and you went above and beyond that you needed to do. And, we even ran into some troubles with the resort, and you tried to fix it as much as you could.
Fantastic. Now, of course, the big question is always, will you book us again? Will you refer us to all your friends and family members? And if so, why?
Of course I will, because Sharon is the best.
I love it. Say it again.
Sharon is the best.
Wonderful, Galia. Thank you so much. We have my good friend, Chris McKenzie. Chris, how are you doing?
I'm most wonderful, Sharon. Good hearing you.
Wonderful hearing you. Thank you for the time. So, what's your experience? Why do you keep booking Sheri Fantastic time and time again, Chris? Tell us.
You see, in a time like this when there's online booking, you make it faster than online booking. A phone call, a text message, and I have a reservation. It's that easy.
Oh my goodness. Now, I know that we go way back, and I know our relationship started in Grand Palladium. I want you just in a second or two share what was it that you saw that gripped you about the service that we offered so many years ago with that group?
Like your previous client, you see, the personalized service that you offered, it's second to none. I mean, you're with us even when we check out. I mean, that's big. You checking on any little pet peeves you have in terms of reservation requirement, you make it up. And I love that. You can't get a better service. You book online, you just get a room. You book with you get a vacation.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, Chris. We touch base later. Appreciate it. And
Not a problem, man. I'm looking forward to our next booking.
And I'm looking forward to serving you and the family. Thank you so much. And on me, hi Nadine. We didn't start at primary school, we started infant school, not true?
Correct.
Oh my goodness. Tell us, why Sheri Fantastic? Why do you keep coming back time and time again?
Satisfaction, just putting it simply. You simply ask for what you want. And it's amazing how your personality from infant school even plays out now in your professional life. I mean, I remember you at school, you were very forthright, and you stated what you wanted, and it applies even now. When we state what we want, whether it's for our personal or professional vacations, as you deliver. That's it, simply, you deliver.
And you know what I love about having clients like you, Nadine? You push me. You really, really push me to excellence. And I really appreciate that. So just in case I forgot to say it, thank you so much for making me grow, because you really know how to stretch somebody. Thanks, Nadine. We talk again very soon.
Okay, then. Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. In studio, I have Noel Cover. Now, Noel has been with us since our inception. And I remember, and you all hear us talking about Grand Palladium. It's my favorite property. I'm sorry, I'm going to say that, and other people are going to kill me. But I just love Grand Palladium. Noel, Grand Palladium. Let's talk about that trip.
Yes. Grand Palladium was a real fantastic experience. I really love Grand Palladium. I remember the first time that you booked me at Grand Palladium. I remember when person just called a while ago and mentioned about the personal touch, and I must share this experience. You dining with us.
Oh.
Yeah, I think that was really fantastic. We made our arrangement. We just one call to Sharon, and I'm a quality assurance officer here in Jamaica, so quality is important to me. What I really like at times is that when you get to the gate, no matter how early you arrive at the hotel, because that's usually my thing really. I really love hotels. And when you get there, and when you get to the security checkpoint, and you give your name, my name, and they look at the list and your name is there. I mean, I just like that smooth sailing. It's very important to me. Arriving and your name is there, so you know that everything is in order. And I think I'm really impressed with that. And as I said earlier, you dining with us at times, that personal touch. I remember one experience. Yes, you knew it was our anniversary. And when we checked in, shortly after we checked in, wow, there was a knock on the door. And there was this lovely fruit basket, bottle of wine, 2 glasses. I mean, that was just fantastic. I really enjoyed that. That was really surprising.
And that is the Sheri-Fantastic way, we love to see you smile. So, when we say it, we always want to wow our clients, and we want to go above and beyond, because we just love when our clients really enjoy the fact that they're getting value, and a little surprise is always the spice for everything.
The preceding feature, Sheri-Fun Travel, was brought to you by Sheri-Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited.